Hey, this is Ian Xline. This is my Milestone 2 CST 250 project. For this milestone, pretty much only worked in the console application, just expanded it from just a display board to a fully interactive um, game that a user can play. So the user can enter the row, column, choose to visit a cell, place a flag, or use a reward if they find it or and want to use it. I'll take us to our UML diagram. So our UML right here was updated to reflect our new functionality. So we have our says our determine game state method right here. So it checks and returns if the game is won, lost, or they're still playing, as we can see right here as well in our flowchart. Um, let's see. In our business logic layer, we have where was it? Right here, our game state. So game one, um, we changed the color to green. Congratulations, you won. Lost, you hit a bomb, game over, change it to red, and then if anything else, the game is still in progress because obviously the user hasn't completed it yet. So this basically just lets the game loop know when the game should end. When the game starts, let's see, actually I'll run it for us right here. And then I realize sometimes, I don't know, I do sometimes get no bombs. There we go, for example. So when that happens, we'll stop it and rerun it, and we should get a bomb this time. There we go. So now we got 3 bombs. Our reward right here. So we have our answer key all right here. We could pretty much just go through it here. Pretty simple. We'll go row 0, and then we'll go um, 0, 1, and we know that's a bomb because we can see right here. And then we'll flag it. So boom, now we have it flagged. Obviously, we wouldn't know this if we were actually playing, but this is just for the hypothetical. And then if we go to the reward, which is going to be row 1, column 2, and then let's say, all right, we feel good. Click 1 to visit the cells. We see, yeah, sorry, I didn't mention that. 2 to flag the cell, 3 to use the reward, 1 to visit it. Boom. Sorry, did I do 0? It's supposed to be row 1. But hypothetically, let's go here and let's say, oh, let's use our reward. We can see we don't have our reward and it's still in check. So if we go back to that, what was it? 1, 2. Here we go. Let's go into the cell. There we go. You found a reward. You can use it to check if a cell is a bomb. So if we go back up, we'll go to row 0, column 3. Column 3, and then we'll use a reward. Is it a bomb? Yep, it tells us. It doesn't update it here. I probably should fix that, but as we can see, it doesn't let us know. And now let's actually go in to it. So it would be row 2. And let's go. Boom. There we go. Game ended as soon as we hit that bomb. And then so that pretty much closed that. And then I'll run our unit tests. And then yeah, we will call it good. Run tests. So we'll let that run. So the milestone, this one demonstrates our abstraction by separating the models from business logic using the n-layer archetype, and then also demonstrates our encapsulation by keeping the game data and operations contained within their classes and their own methods so they don't get mixed in with each other. And then there's our unit tests. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.